Hey, welcome back everybody. Got a quick video for us today. Well, hopefully quick. I ordered this padlock off eBay. I had never heard of it. It's called a True Value Padlock. It's supposed to be rekeyable. Well, you know, it is rekeyable, I guess I should say, to your house. If you have a house lock with a quick set KW1 keyway. It's 1 3/4 inch. It's solid brass body. It has a double lock and shackle and ball bearings. Can't shim it. So there's another view of the keyway real quick. The reason I bought it for $18.99 was because on the back it says anti-pick spool pins. I was intrigued, wanted to see what it was about. Plus I've never heard of it, and here's the key. Fairly decent, or not fairly terrible or good, it's just decent, you know, bitting. Kind of got a up, down, thing going on. Even though it's 5 pins, I set an extra thing, but it's fine. Lock works. Key's kind of stuck in there. It might just be because of the bitting, or one of the pins gets hung up or something, but it works. Good enough for me. Alright. Let's go ahead and pin it up. I'm going to zoom in. Alright, I'm going to use top of the keyway from Peterson. 50 thousandths, I believe, should fit in here just nice and snug. And it does. And I'm going to use my Peterson gem for this one. Peterson gem. Alright, let's give us a shot. And we'll gut it if we get it open. Come on, baby. It's like right there. And we got it. Alright, definitely some spool pins in there. I don't want to keep this video going on too long, so we need to zoom out. And what we need to do is, it is unlocked. Alright, zoomed out. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this a little bit. I need an Allen wrench to get that out. I have on the side, and the cord's just going to fall out. And wow, this actually, we use full size regular pins instead of padlock pins. Keep it unlocked. Alright, all we gotta do, we got a retaining pin that we gotta push down so we can spin this off, and then we'll be able to use our plug follower. Man, that was a little more challenging. I'm not quite sure why. It shouldn't have been that hard. I was using a Peterson gem. I always forget when I try using that sometimes I'd be fucking up thinking it's a regular hook. Take retaining pin out, dump that little spring out. It says it's supposed to have stainless steel springs in here, which I don't like because I don't know, I just don't. Alright, this is in the open position, so we're gonna rotate it so when we push it out our key pins don't fall all over the ground. Oh, Jesus. Alright, we caught it. Alright, this should just use all normal quick set pins. If it's a quick set QA, yep, normal. Just round it on both sides. I'll show you what I mean. I'll turn on my flash too for that. If you look at it, just kind of round it on top and on the bottom. It can go in either way when you put it into the core. Alright, let's see what we got in spot 1. We got a spool pin. Oh my god. I've never seen this except in American padlocks. And I've never seen it in pin size bigger than padlocks because I've only seen it in American padlocks. What we have here is a serrated spool. Oh my goodness, I've never seen that. Wow, I'm very intrigued right now. Wow, look at that. See the serrations on the top and the bottom of the spool? Wow. Alright, driver pin 1 is a serrated spool. And it's not a stainless. Okay, they lied about the stainless steel springs, which I don't like. I like those type anyway. But I'm very happy about this spool. Driver pin 2 is just a standard driver pin. Get that spring out. Driver pin 3 is another spool. Oh, it's a serrated spool too. That's very interesting. I didn't even know they made it for a regular size, like, you know, like you put on your house key or your house lock. I can barely find them for my pinning kit for my padlocks because I like to use them in padlocks. And I finally found a site that I get 100 for about 100 pack for about $8. And another serrated spool. Wow, that's awesome. And number 5 is either gonna be plain. Nope, another serrated spool, not just a plain driver. Wow, they weren't lying. Anti-pick spools got the best of both worlds. I know they're not that challenging, but they are cool. Dump these last 2 springs out. Alright guys, give you a close-up view of this, and that's all there is to it. I want to get this video keep this video from being too long, so here you have it. Key pin 1, serrated spool. Trying to get a close-up of it again. Key pin 2, standard. 3, 4, and 5 are all serrated spools. And that is your true value lock. Wow, that's crazy. I've got to do some research. I'm going to actually keep these out of the lock, and I'll replace them with regular spools because I want to be able to put these in different locks for myself in practice. I've never seen those like that in full size. I have them in another video. I actually just pinned up this lock, this master lock, with security pins, which I'm giving this away once I get some subscribers. I gotta figure out how many, and then I'll do a random drawing. And this is a good lock for somebody who's starting out on security pins and who has an idea what they're doing. This will be good practice because it's only 4 pins and actually 3 of the 4 are only security because it's pinned up to however I pinned it up in the video we did this in. So remember, this is a giveaway, and I also have another special lock giveaway which will include multiple winners if we get more subscribers, and I think people are gonna like that one. It should be a pretty decent giveaway. But anyway, I've just put a serrated spool, a padlock size, in here. Took me forever to be able to find them because I know American Lock makes them, so they got to be out on the internet somewhere. Finally got my kit together, and I'll explain how you can buy that cheap and all that without having to buy expensive $100 kits, but that'll be for another video. Anyway, if you like this, please subscribe. You subscribe, you get a chance to start getting some giveaways, whether it be this or other locks and stuff. If you like it, drop a like, or just drop a like if you just want to. I ain't gonna complain. Leave me comments, thoughts, concerns, not concerns obviously, suggestions and whatnot down in the comments below. I'm gonna wrap this up. Remember, practice and patience. It took me a while to be able to pick things like this without fucking taking an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You will get there, I promise. If you're into this hobby, you'll get there. Practice and patience. Alright, remember, subscribe for that chance to get entered in for this giveaway. Once I get a certain amount, I'll announce at a later date. I don't even know how long it'll take me to get a subscriber. But alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. If you come across this True Value lock, I would pick it up. I don't know if they all have serrated spools, but I'm going to order another one on payday and see what's in there. Maybe they'll have just serrations, or just serrated pins, or just spool pins. Who knows? We'll find out. Alright, guys. Till next time. Thanks for watching.